In the last video, I showed you how to use AI to tailor your resume, and I gave you a free prompt. Now we're doing that same thing for your LinkedIn profile. So you've clicked open to work, but it's starting to feel more like open to wait. You've updated your profile, you're waiting for recruiter messages, but nothing's happening. Here's the thing. You're doing nothing wrong, but LinkedIn's algorithm doesn't know who you are or what roles to match you with because you have not given them enough information. So I'm going to help you put great info in the 3 areas that you need to on LinkedIn. So stick around, and I'm going to leave you with the exact AI prompt that rewrites your profile with recruiter matching keywords in under 60 seconds. This AI stuff is really awesome. So why are you invisible? Here's how a recruiter actually works. And this is why you sometimes don't show up in our searches. So we always search for specific job titles, industries, and skills. And we use Boolean search strings to find you and to drill down. So if you don't know what a Boolean search is, watch my video. I made one on Boolean search, or get my ebook on how to get seen and get hired faster. But for right now, Boolean search is using operators and or not. So you're going to do that on either LinkedIn or Google in the search bar. And you're going to use the Boolean search to find people that you're going to want to contact, companies that you want to contact, people that know somebody that you want to contact and get in front of, get your resume in front of their eyeballs. Because the more you can do that, the more interviews are going to happen for you. The more interviews happen, you're going to get that job offer faster. It's a numbers game. You are the product and this is sales, and you have to market it. So I'm going to teach you how to market yourself, okay? So this is how they find you. If your profile doesn't contain enough great keywords and phrases, you do not show up in the results. Here's an example. Most job seekers write cute headlines. Helping teams grow, passionate about innovation. Well, we're not going to be searching for those words. We're going to be searching for, and this is a better example, product manager, SaaS, agile, B2B strategy. Those are all key words that we're going to be putting on the front end of a search, either with LinkedIn Recruiter product or Boolean, or a combination of both with drop-down menus to try to find you. Just put the right phrases in the right places. Your headline, job titles you want to be found for. Your about section includes skills, industries, and tools. And if your job uses a lot of software or code, spend a little time on your matching skill set down at the bottom. Now, this isn't about gaming the system. It's about showing up. It's about being seen for what you already are qualified to do. You just want to get seen and get hired. And that is why I named my program JobHunter Pro, Get Seen, Get Hired. And if you are interested in checking it out, the links are below with my freebie tools for you as well, RachelleTheRecruiter.com. Here's the exact ChatGPT prompt to help you rewrite your profile today. You can do this right now. Paste into your ChatGPT, create a high impact LinkedIn headline plus about section for job seekers, upload your resume, upload a target job description, or paste a link to the type of role you're aiming for. You tell it you're an expert in staffing, recruiting, hiring, AI, and LinkedIn strategy. And then you ask it questions. So using my uploaded resume and the job description, if included, write a LinkedIn headline and write a LinkedIn about section that positions me as a strong, visible candidate on LinkedIn. And it goes on a little bit more. Once you put that into ChatGPT, it will give you a draft. Then you tweak it with a few words, and you talk back and forth with the AI like it's your assistant, and say, give me a better version of the summary and include this. And sometimes I'll even just tell it, you can do better than this, because sometimes you have to ask it 3 times before it really gives you the golden nugget, the prize. So don't always take the first thing that it suggests for you, okay? It's just me using AI for a year. This is going to be the fastest way for you to go from invisible to on recruiters' radars, and also hiring managers on their radar system as well, because they will search LinkedIn and they will forward over me the profile and they'll ask me to go recruit that person, find out more. So, as long as you're like getting emails in front of people, LinkedIn in front of people, that's going to be more touch points and you're going to get more action. You're going to get more interviews, more conversations that will eventually lead to an offer. And once you're employed, you don't need to see me again, hopefully for a few years at least. And I will have helped you. So take 5 minutes and try that prompt out right now. Then update your LinkedIn headline, your about, and your skills. AI can help you by being your assistant. Remember, you can make tweaks after AI gives you suggestions. You have the final say. So this one simple move can boost how often recruiters find you and how often recruiters reach out to you. Now, if you want help identifying the right keywords, or if you want my 60 plus prompts that I created for you to make your job search faster and more strategic, grab my scripts, go deeper with my program called JobHunter Pro, Get Seen, Get Hired, the links below. And remember, this isn't about being the perfect candidate. It's about being seen, period. Inside my JobHunter Pro toolkit, I'll teach you how to interrupt the process, look up contact info with tools, and write great emails and LinkedIn messages to get in front of decision makers or people that know the decision makers, recruiters, and hiring managers. Like and subscribe to keep me in your feed. Drop a robot emoji in the comments if you like this kind of content. And now that you know how to get seen on LinkedIn, you'll want to know what comes next. What does come next? AI tools job seekers should be using, but aren't. See you in that next video.